In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a meal plan in Notion. This is an excellent way to keep track of your daily meals and manage your grocery lists efficiently, all in one place. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to Notion's website at Notion. So, if you don't have an account already, it's simple to sign up, but if you do, just go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, we're going to start by creating a new page. You can do this by heading to the sidebar and clicking on the option to add a new page. Name this page Meal Planner. This page will serve as your central hub for all things meal related. Once your meal planner page is set up, the next step is to create a dedicated database for your recipes. Click on Add a New Database and name this database Recipes. Customize this to your preference, but I recommend adding columns for the recipe name, ingredients, cooking instructions, and any dietary notes you might want to keep track of. This way, you can store all your go-to dishes in an organized manner right within Notion. Now that you've got your recipes database ready, it's time to move on to the next element, the meal plan table. Go ahead and create a new table on your meal planner page, naming it Meal Plan. This table will help you plan out your meals for the week or even the whole month if you're a super planner. Include columns for the meal type, breakfast, lunch, dinner, along with the day of the week and the recipe you plan to use. By linking this to your recipes database, you can easily pull in recipes from the list you've already created. After setting up your meal plan table, let's focus on ensuring you have all the ingredients you need with a grocery list database. This step is crucial. Create another new database, naming it Grocery List. Columns you might want to add include item name, quantity, and possibly even a checkbox to tick off items as you purchase them. Having this grocery list linked to your meal plan table can automate your shopping needs and make life a whole lot easier. Finally, let's tidy things up by adding views for easy navigation. Views help in organizing how you see your information in Notion. You can set different views for your meal planner, such as weekly views for your meal plan, or categorized views for your recipes based on cuisines or dietary restrictions. It really enhances the experience and makes flipping through your data smoother and more enjoyable. And there you have it, a comprehensive, efficient meal planning setup using Notion. It's a handy tool that not only organizes, but also makes meal planning an enjoyable task. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it saves you both time and stress in your meal prepping endeavors. Until next time, happy planning.